Hey everybody, Don with Breja Tone Works. Right now I've got a very short, quick video on adding your bridge pickup to your middle pickup's tone control on a Stratocaster. It's a simple one-wire connection that you have to do, and you will add that pickup to the bottom tone control, so now your bridge and your middle are controlled by one tone pot and your neck is controlled by another. I know in one of my other videos I show how to have an independent bridge control with your neck and your middle, but some people prefer to have the neck all by itself. This is a very simple mod. Let's get started. Okay, because this is going to be a quick video, I'm not going to go over the details of my wiring like I do in my other videos. So looking at the drawing you have here, this is your standard Strat. We are going to add one wire. It's a jumper between B2 and B3 on the 5-way switch. You can see that here in blue. I'm going to flip back and forth so you can see this is the only change we're making. We're adding a jumper from B2 to B3. Once you've done that, you're done with the mod. What you've just done now is taken the bridge pickup, added that with the middle so that the bottom tone control is going to affect both of them. Your neck is still going to be controlled by the center tone knob. Again, some guys prefer to have their neck pickup to have its own independent tone knob. That's where this mod comes in very handy. If you check out my other videos, you can see how you can make your bridge have its own tone knob independent of the neck in the middle. It's basically a reverse of this mod. All right, well, there you go. I'm trying to put out a few of these little quick videos every now and then and help guys with some very simple mods. I hope you enjoy them. As always, remember, tone, it's not just a knob, it's sound advice. Thanks for watching.